In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand all in Wrike. If you're someone who often works with multiple projects and folders in Wrike, you'll know how useful it is to have a clear and comprehensive view of all the items in your workspace. Expanding all the elements at once can save you time and ensure that you're capturing every detail without needing to click through each item individually. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to open up your favorite browser and head over to Wrike. For those who might not be familiar, Wrike is a robust project management tool that allows you to organize, manage, and track all of your work in real time. Once you're on the Wrike homepage, make sure to log into your account to access all your projects and folders. Having your login credentials ready will make this smoother and get you into your workspace without any delay. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to the specific project or folder that you'd like to expand. This can be any project or folder within your workspace, depending on what you need to focus on at the moment. Simply clicking on the folder or the project name will open it up for you. This is your first step in ensuring that you are working in the right context and not overlooking anything important. After you've opened your desired project or folder, take a moment to scan the layout in front of you. Look for the name of the project, which should be displayed prominently on your screen. This helps confirm that you're working on the correct project. Once you've got the right project opened, you'll need to locate the control for expanding. Usually this control can be found near the name of the project, making it easy to find without having to search through numerous menus. Now here's the key action. You'll find either 3 dots or an arrow-like button adjacent to the project name. Clicking on either of these will give you options to expand sections within the project. It's a user-friendly feature designed to open all subsections, making everything visible and readily accessible for you. This will allow you to see all tasks and subtasks nested under your project, giving you a full view of what has been accomplished and what is still to be done. In conclusion, using the Expand All feature in Wrike is straightforward once you know where to look. It allows for a seamless workflow by giving you a comprehensive overview of your projects with a simple click, saving you valuable time. And remember, effective project management is all about having the right tools at your disposal and knowing how to use them efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy managing!